Welcome back to another video. So a lot of times what I've seen and observed with sales teams, they sometimes need that extra push or that extra notification wherein you guide them as to what needs to be updated so that your CRM stays up to date, your lead data stays up to date. So for that, there's a very easy and simple workflow which can be created. And the beauty about this is, even if you're on a starter plan, you can use the form automation feature to create this workflow. And if you're on any professional plan, you have the workflow feature wherein you can easily set that up. So let's see how to do that. So to do that, I will go to workflows. I'll create a workflow from scratch. Over here, I'll just say meta filter criteria. We're talking about contacts. Over here, what I'll do now is I'll click in form submissions. And over here, I will select a contact as form, for example. So like we see, if the contact has filled out a form, that's going to be a trigger. We do not want to re-enroll them. Save and continue. So we now have the trigger over here. The next thing we need to do is create a task for them. So I'll go to CRM. I will scroll down, create a task. Title would be for the enroll contact. I'll just make use of these tokens. First name. Okay. And over here it's to do. We can set the due date to be immediately or on custom dates. We just let it stay as after 3 days. And over here we can say hi James, since James is the one who's our sales rep over here. And then again we can make use of these first name and last name as filled a form. Please grade this lead. And over here, you can set the priority as well. I just try and set it to high and assign task to. So over here, I can either select a specific owner if I know the sales rep over here, or if there's an owner who gets associated anytime someone fills out a form, you can just set it to an existing contact owner, an existing owner of contact and contact owner. And that's it. You save it and your workflow is ready. So this is how you do it in case you have a professional plan with you. And if you don't, if you're in a startup plan, no worries. You can still grade your leads. So over here, what you would need to do is go to your forms, select any form over here. I'll go to the contact us form in this case as well. Click on edit form. I'll go to automations. And over here, if you see the trigger over here has already been pre-configured for us, so we do not need to set that. All we need to do is create the task. So I'll just click the add button over here, create task. And then again, please grade this lead. Over here, again, I'll keep everything the same. I'll say, hi, James. Again, the same thing. First name, last name as filled out a contact us form. Please grade the lead. Save. And that's it. You can just switch this on, and this form automation would start working, and it will automatically create tasks whenever you create those, whenever someone fills out a form. So that's how you do it in both the cases, if you have the professional plan and if you have the starter plan. And yeah, a very quick workflow, but it's actually extremely helpful and extremely useful. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.